I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select actions. KonnectzIT. Give here the webhook link. So visit the KonnectzIT dashboard. Create KonnectzIT. Give a KonnectzIT name. Search a trigger webhook. Drag and drop here. Copy the webhook URL. Capture webhook response. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the KonnectzIT site and choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Drag and drop here. Choose action. Select account. Choose base ID. Choose table ID. Choose type or case. Select additional fields. OK. Now create a connection between webhooks and Airtable. Test and review. Save. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via KonnectzIT. Thanks for watching.